In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign a PDF document step by step. To get started, open your PDF document in a program that supports electronic signatures. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a common choice, but another trusted PDF editor can work as well, as long as it includes signing tools. Once your file is open, take a moment to make sure you're working on the correct document before adding anything to it. Next, look for the signing feature in the toolbar. Depending on the app you're using, this option may be called Sign, Fill and Sign, or Add Signature. The wording can vary slightly, but the purpose is the same. This tool is what allows you to place a digital signature directly onto the PDF without needing to print the file. After that, create your signature. Most PDF editors give you a few different ways to do this, so you can choose the one that feels most natural. You may be able to type your name, draw your signature using a mouse, stylus, or touchscreen, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. If you want a more personal look, drawing or uploading an image usually works best. If you need something quick and simple, typing your name may be the fastest option. Once your signature is ready, click in the area of the document where you need to sign. This is usually a signature field, a blank line, or a marked section intended for approval. Place the signature carefully so it appears in the correct location on the page. Then, resize and position the signature if needed. Most editors let you drag the corners to make it larger or smaller, and you can usually move it around until it fits neatly inside the designated signing area. Try to keep it clear, readable, and aligned with the rest of the form so the document looks professional. When everything looks right, save the signed PDF. This step is important because it preserves the signature and any changes you've made. If your editor gives you the option, it can also be helpful to save a separate copy so you still have the original unsigned version for reference. After saving, reopen the file and review the final document. Check that your signature appears correctly, is clearly visible, and hasn't shifted out of place. A quick final review can help you catch formatting issues before sending the file. Finally, share or submit the signed PDF however it's required. You might email it, upload it to a website, or send it through a document portal. Digitally signing a PDF is a fast and convenient way to complete forms and agreements without printing, signing by hand, or scanning the document afterward.